This is the brief on Paleokastritsa, Corfu.
Okay, so Paleokastritsa, it's this amazing spot over on the west coast of Corfu in Greece. Just picture these dramatic green cliffs meeting the super clear turquoise Ionian Sea. The water clarity, honestly, sometimes visibility can be over 30 meters. Pretty incredible. First up, you've absolutely got to see the historic centerpiece, the Panagia Paleokastritsa monastery. Right? It's this 13th century structure perched way up high on a cliff. And the views from there, wow. You get these stunning panoramic scenes framing the whole rocky coastline and the 6 bays down below. It kind of feels like stepping back 800 years. Second, let's talk beaches. You know, Paleokastritsa isn't just one single beach. It's actually made up of 6 different sandy bays and coves. You'll probably want to hit Agios Spiridon first. That's the biggest and most famous main beach. It's also sort of the main launching point for most of the boat tours. And finally, the water activities are a huge draw here. Yeah, the super clear water is perfect for diving, no doubt. But the real must-do activity involves getting on a boat, either renting one or joining a tour. Seriously, it's the only way to get to the famous sea caves, especially the incredible Napoleon's Cave and the stunning Blue Eye Cave. They hide these really cool, secluded swimming spots you just can't get to from the shore. So yeah, think of Paleokastritsa less like just a beach stop and more like this essential mix of history and amazing aquatic adventure on the Ionian Sea.